Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group PNG image in Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we go to the insert menu and click picture option. Then choose some picture on our computer. Now I choose this picture. We want to select multiple picture. To press Ctrl on your keyboard, then insert it. Now we can see here we insert two images. Now we make this image PNG, click the image and go to the format menu, then click remove background. We can see here we removed background automatically, but some areas are not removed. We select this area manually, then click keep change, then remove background in another image. Apply the same process. Then click this image and click the wrap text option and select in front of text. Then apply this process in another image. Then resize this image some small. Then select the multiple image to press shift on your keyboard. Then go to the format menu and click group option and select group. Now we can see finally we group PNG image very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.